I see the beauty in every small thing. Life is so calm. I find real beauty in the little moments. Grateful for the air I deeply breathe and the warm sun on my glowing skin. Everything is perfect. I appreciate nature. It's pure beauty here in the changing seasons. Time moves so softly. I feel at peace. I find real beauty in the little moments. I am truly grateful for the simple things. Life is very good. I smile right now.